Hi, how's everybody doing? This is Sean, and we're here with number two, session two for today. The last one I was just working on slicing and backhand drop shots and like chipping and coming into the net. I got the ball machine set up to where it's let me fix the camera a little bit, it's a little tilted. Where the ball's gonna be short, so I'm just gonna work on hitting it and working on keeping it right by the cones and down the middle of the court. So let's get to it. Let's see what we can do. Feel pretty good. Putting a little more pressure on my knee. So see if I can do, how I think we can do. feet. Figure a couple more times a week coming out here, getting my body to where I'm turning. Some shots I'm doing it, some shots I'm not. We're hitting flat, trying flat strokes too. It's going out, like catching it early and kind of hitting flat with it. That's how you get those angles. And it's really hard to get that ball. So that's how I used to play. But I definitely, I hit a lot more consistent than I do now. But I used to hit real hard and flat and get real close to the line. And I set the cones up like I'm doing, but I actually, a few times I aimed for the cones and almost got them. But I used to hit the cones a lot when I practiced. So I haven't played in a month. I'm not too bad. I don't think I hit too bad today. There's a few things. The ball machine, obviously, it's brand new. It's less than a year old, and had over 100 tennis balls in that thing. It just gets jammed. So there's nothing I can do about it. It used to piss me off. I was like, damn, I'm getting into a good rhythm, and then I'd fix the machine, and then I start hitting the ball into the net. Sort of like when you're playing tennis and someone does something to distract you. So I kind of use that as I don't let it bother me anymore. I just go with the flow, so to speak. But I'm turning into the ball pretty good. I feel pretty good. I was hitting about 3/4 pace. I can hit a little harder than I'm hitting right now, but I was just trying to keep the ball in play, and I did hit a few wild shots, but only one really went out badly. The rest of them were right, within a couple inches of the line. And when I practice, if I'm gonna hit short, I'm trying to practice the short angle. But when I'm practicing, I try to practice deep and try to hit the ball right here. It's within this bar, a couple inches from the line. That way, when you're playing good players, they really can't attack you too much. I mean, there's not much you can do if somebody can hit winners from that part of the court. They're high level players, but how many times can he do it? I've seen a lot of guys on real tennis, and they're really good players, and they miss a lot of shots. Not a lot, but they miss those shots going for big shots from the baseline, and you know it looks good, but also the way that their their opponents that they're playing, if they don't hit deep shots like that, it's coming back at them like a rocket. So I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate your support. We're gonna get the balls round up. We'll do another before the sun goes down. I had to call Ashley because like I said, we're sharing a car right now, so I'll call her and tell her to come get me because I've been out here for a couple hours. Been out here since 2. It's 10 after 4. I'm off work today. I work tomorrow at 5. We're from 5 to 11, so ain't too bad. And then Saturday morning I'll come out here. I'm gonna come out here tomorrow morning. Friday morning, today's Thursday, so we'll come out here Friday morning, and then come out here Saturday morning and Sunday morning, and try to get back into this thing and get my timing. My timing's off. A couple times I stood there and kind of just reached for the ball, and then the ones that I, the balls that I got a chance to turn into, they felt pretty comfortable. I find myself going back to my old grip sometimes too, going to that Eastern grip. It's like I'm holding it like that, and then I just kind of turn into it. I'm learning. I always was taught how to, you're supposed to use your hips when you hit the ball, and it does make a big difference, especially on your backhand side. And your forehand, you kind of get away with it just using the arm sometimes, but the more you use your legs and turn into the ball, the more power and control you have. Once you get into a groove and a rhythm, the same with your backhand, and that's what I'm going to be working on. I might go to the Pure Drive Plus because it's an extra half an inch longer, and I like that, and it's a 105 instead of a 98. I'm still thinking about it. I'm gonna play with this racket for a little while. I only have one of these. I have 5 profiles from over the years, and like I said, I had 3 head 105s with their aluminum, and one of my friends I play tennis with, he's an older guy, he had a really crappy Wilson. I mean, it was all bent and scratched up, so I just gave him a new racket because he's playing pretty good tennis, and he don't really know much about rackets, but he likes it. He was playing really good. He's left-handed, and I told him you can you'll get a lot more spin on the ball. It's a bigger radius, so it's 105, and he doesn't he hit big, like he doesn't have a huge server, but it's pretty decent. So I don't think he'll bend the racket. I mean, those rackets are going to bend. They're made of aluminum, and I only hit with it like 3 times, and I cracked the frame. So anybody that's playing at high level, they will destroy that racket. It will be, within probably a set, it won't even be usable anymore. It'll be all warped. I mean, because I started warping it, and I'm not even hitting that ball as hard as some of these folks on here. So, like I said, I appreciate everybody watching. We have 2 videos today. This is the second one, and I might do another one depending on how much time I have. But for sure, I'm definitely coming out here in the morning and get back into this. I just want to keep practicing using my hips. I'll practice using my body and turning and practicing doing that and trying to make clean shots, use my body is the best that I can with injuries that I have right now. So I'm just going to do my best for everybody and get ready. Pretty soon I'm trying to, once I get a car again, I'm going to join a league and do league tennis and record some of my matches and see what you guys think. So until next time, you guys take care of yourselves and take care of each other, and know this, that God loves you, and so do I, and I appreciate all your support, and have a blessed day, my friends.